folks, we're gonna check what are your karmic blessings in this life. Okay, so choose a pile which calls out to you intuitively. If you feel like another, like a second pile, or an extra pile calls out to you, do make sure you check that pile as well, because it might have a hidden message. So this is pile 1. Okay, this is pile 2. Okay, and this is pile 3. So these are your karmic blessings which are gonna come in your life or in this life. Your karmic blessings in this life are what? So choose any one pile which calls out to you intuitively. The timestamps are given in the description column below. You can pause the video and choose intuitively. Thank you. Hey, pile number 1, now you chose this amazing crystal. Let's see what are your karmic blessings in this life. Okay, so let's check. First, I'm gonna pull out cards from the Universal Way Tarot deck. We have got the Magician here. Wow. And then we have got the Fool here. That's a nice blessing. So the Magician, I feel like the thing about you is you can manifest anything in your life. You have this ability. The thing is, you have that faith. I feel like you might be a fire sign or something, but that's okay. But let's just come to the blessings. As I'm seeing the infinity here, I feel abundance. Okay. And one more thing I'm seeing, like in your life, this life, there is a blessing of traveling. I feel like a lot of traveling happening, and I sense that traveling is a lot in your cards. And I also feel like loyalty. You might have one close best friend in your life that you wouldn't ever want to lose. I feel the best friend word highlighting that he or she might be a blessing. Yeah, this is what I'm getting. And the Magician over here, I also feel like having fun and enjoying, hanging out, ceremonies and celebration, because I'll let you know why I'm getting the celebration vibes. And the nature over here is highlighted. So you might be like, you might like spending time in nature or moving out, like, yeah, obviously, like traveling. You love traveling, and somewhere this has to be connected to connecting to nature, right? So this is what I'm getting. And I'm also feeling like you know how to handle each and every situation in its own unique way. Not only situations, you know how to handle individuals in your life. The thing about you, I feel like you are really keen and vigilant when it comes to giving your personal space to people. There is a circle or a boundary around you which you do not let other people to just pass through that boundary. You have this amazing aura of letting people respect your boundaries. You just don't let them just come and hit you off. And I also feel like you might be having trust issues, because I can vision somewhere in your past life you were heartbroken or been betrayed in your past life. And this life you might be affected by that. But however, the loyalty, that blessing you have, maybe a friend or your partner or life partner, but some individual in your life will be there who is always gonna stay loyal to you until the end of your life. So if you have met that individual, then amazing. If you haven't, and if you still feel lonely, that you do not have anyone and people betray you, then you're wrong, because a blessing is coming. So this is your karmic blessings. Okay, you are matured. I feel maturity, I can sense, but also I feel like you guys have a good sense of humor as well. So this is what I'm getting. And traveling is a blessing. having fun or loyal friend or a partner is a blessing, and abundance is a blessing, as I'm seeing the infinity in the magician card. And yeah, so now let's check another card that you have got. Is this from the Egyptian deck, is the Page of Wands. I feel like you like dressing up well. Look at the way uh, he or she, I don't know, she, I feel, is standing, look at the way, and I feel like you also like to maybe you might be photogenic, or you like to take photos of yourself more and more. And I feel like, as I'm seeing the wand here, I feel like you'll always forever have a support in your life. As I'm seeing this, I actually saw 444. So this also means like you have been supported and protected by your angels and your ascended masters. So obviously, yes, the wand also helps people to get that support. Okay, so seeing this wand, I feel like you'll always have that support in your life. You would never be alone, and if you are now, this is a blessing, karmic blessing coming your way. I also feel like you'll have really great collection of shoes in your life, and some of you who are watching this, take what resonates. Some of you who are watching this might be really good at dancing or gym, or just running some Olympics or anything. Just take what resonates, guys. And you have the skills and abilities, and I feel like you are very much keen to present yourself with in a sophisticated manner. This you like to be respected. This is what I'm getting. You have your you have your like tints of fun, and having fun and enjoying and letting your guards down. But at times, if someone crosses your boundaries, you don't take a shit, and you are just like, nah, back off. This is what I'm getting, the vibe. And this actually is a blessing. Okay, this actually helps you. People look at you, there is some kind of reputation that you carry, and I feel that. And a lot of nature vibes I'm getting. And yeah, you might have really pretty legs if you watching this video. And pretty legs, take what resonates, guys. And that might be a blessing as well, or a strong legs, because I'm seeing this over here, and it makes me feel like you have strong legs. Or it's just that you, and one more thing, you don't usually get tired very easily, maybe. And if you are, then take what resonates, okay. And you like to dress up well, you are so much into shopping maybe, and you just like to present yourself with grace. This is what I'm getting. So let this be. Now let's check the Osho Zen cards that I've got. So the first one you have got is celebration. Like I said before, you like to hang out and have fun. So I feel like in your life there will be you might have a big family or a big group of friends or anything, or you might have in the future. But as I'm seeing the celebration card, I feel like the blessing for you is you will have a lot of fun in your life, a lot of happiness, fun, and entertainment. Yeah, entertainment I am seeing. Okay, so this is what is. And the next card that you had drawn to from Osho Zen was possibilities. Yes, okay, looking at the possibilities, and there is an eagle over here. Okay, yeah, it's an eagle over here, guys. So it makes me feel you are not at all scared of anyone. You just reach heights, grow higher and higher, move higher and higher. You don't fucking care. Okay, it's, you might care, come on, closed ones, yes, obviously, but you are so much into taking risk. Okay, the thing about you is you take risks, and the Fool also symbolizes of you taking risks. That is what I'm getting. So always you like to you like to explore, because we have got the Fool card here as well. Possibilities also symbolizes, explore and experience and see. As I'm seeing two, I also feel like if you have given a two option to do one thing, you might feel like let's go with both, and I want to see, even if it comes to choosing any one place that you need to travel, you'll be like, I want to go to both the places and I'll make sure I'll go. I don't have to make any decision or any choice. Why can't we have all? Why can't we have both? So this is what I'm feeling, and seeing the possibilities, I feel like in your life, karmic blessings, I feel like you'll have a lot of possibilities. Even if one door closes, you'll have 10 doors open. So this is what I'm getting, like a lot of choices and options. You'd never be tired of experiencing or exploring. So yes, let's just keep this here, and so the next card that you were drawn to was from the gods and goddesses deck for blessings is Varaha, the boar avatar of Vishnu. Okay, so the blessings it has is, banishment of fear. Yeah, you do not care, you are not scared of anyone. Protecting the world's ecology, like I said you before, right? You are really connected to nature, and intelligent use of the world's resources. That's beautiful. Freedom from the fear of dirt and darkness. Yes, you really enlighten people with your personality. You have this aura of, even if someone comes to you, okay, what should I do in this situation, you have this aura of advising them in such a manner that they would love to take risks. They would be so curious to know what does the other side of the grass holds. So this is what you have. You are always very curious and adventurous to know what is there and what is not. So this is what I'm getting. And the next blessing card that I've got is from Hanuman. Okay, the monkey god. Okay, the monkey also, I feel like seeing the monkey, very jumpy, adventurous, always moving, restless, impatient, and but still a naughtiness, chirpiness, and grounded somewhere. Yes, grounded, chirpiness, and joy, happiness, and helpful I'm getting. So yeah, as I was describing you, so this is what I was. Okay, so let's just check into your blessings. We have capacity to preserve, that's good. Physical strength and fighting ability. Yes, you do not give up very easily, that's a good thing about you. And superhuman power to accomplish acts of service, that's great. So I also I'm getting this vibe that if you're in any kind of a service sector, it's gonna be successful. If you're not, and if you're thinking of what to do with your life, you can go with any service sector which is gonna be fruitful for you in your life. So the next one is ability to increase one's attitude of love in performing selfless service. That is great. I was just saying that you give really great advices, and it actually shows that you have this ability to increase, one's ability to love performing selfless services, or just explore more in the possibilities, or let them know the true meaning of life and stuff. This is what I'm getting. You live life. You literally live life. You do not let it go waste. So this is what I'm getting. So next we're gonna check blessings. I'm gonna pull 10 chits for you. So let's see what are the 10 blessings, karmic blessings in this life. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 4, 4. This is 5. This came out. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And one more fell actually. Let's just take it as 11. Okay, so let's check. one by one. So, I am seeing power. As I said before, you have this quality, you do not let anyone control you. You know how to, take control of your life, and you're really powerful. This we have got over here somewhere, right? Um, Physical strength and fighting ability. So yeah, in the Hanuman deck, Hanuman card. So it usually, resonates there. And the next one we have got is soul family. I feel like someone in your family, some one member in your family has been there in your life, in your past life. Okay, I feel that. I feel like someone in your past life who was really close to you has become a soul family now, a family member in your life now. And the next one, abundance. As I said, I've got the magician card and I could see the infinity sign, and I feel like abundance, yes. So this is a blessing for you. And the next is we got sensitive. This is great because sensitive, as in you are sensitive to nature, sensitive to people's emotions, and giving them really great advices to what to do. Okay. uh, so next is father. That is beautiful. You are blessed to have your father, and I also feel like some of you guys who are watching this, somewhere they have issue. If they have issues with your father, solve it, because this is also a sign that your father is actually a karmic blessings. You are not seeing the brighter side of the picture. Unexpected income. This is beautiful. You always have unexpected money flowing in your life. Okay, and the grace. I said you right, as I was saying, page of wands. You know how to carry yourself with grace and present yourself. So gifts. So gifts actually goes with unexpected income, because you'll have a lot of physical gifts in your life. The next is support. So this is beautiful. As I said, you'll always have support in your life. Seeing the wand card, and support is always present. The next is stability. That is beautiful. You'll always be stable in your life, so you don't have to doubt. Okay, that yeah, and you don't have to worry about your future, because you're always going to be stable in your life, depending upon your karmic blessings in this life. So next one we have is mother. This is beautiful, guys. You have mother, father, and soul family. So I feel like some of you guys who are watching this might have mother who was related to you as a closed one in your past life, or father, or both. Okay, so these were your karmic blessings, guys. Please do let me know in the comment section below if you like the video or not, and I'll be happy if you give me creative suggestions. I love doing all this. And if you have any other reading ideas, that what should I do reading on, please do let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much, Pile 1. Have an amazing day. Hey Pile 2, you chose this amazing ruby fuchsite, and let's check your pile. Ruby fuchsite also, I feel like joy, happiness, love, and stuff like that. And I feel like people who are watching this wear this crystal, it's gonna bring a lot of blessings, happiness. And I feel like some of you guys who are watching this pile might get married soon. I don't know why, take what resonates. Like if you're 16 or if you're 15, obviously you won't get married. Come on. Yeah, so now let's go with the pile 2. I pulled out 2 cards from the Universal Will Tarot deck. You have got the Ace of Cups. Okay, the blessing, the karmic blessing that you have is you are fucking sensitive and emotional towards other people. This is the best quality of yours. Embrace that kindness that you have inside you. Embrace that grace. Embrace that sensitivity, You think, why am I so emotional? You are beautiful. You are really kind. You have really a genuine soul. This is amazing. Your soul, in this era, in this yuga, being sensitive to other people's emotion is really hard. you know you are really selfless, giving, caring, nurturing. This is what I'm getting. And the next we have is the chariot. So some people who are watching this video might be water signs. Please, I'm just telling, dude, take what resonates. It's okay if you're not, because these are your qualities. Come on, let's see what are your blessings. So the chariot, I feel like, I feel black and white, and I feel like you are, you have this amazing quality, of in I don't know. I feel like you guys are not judgmental towards other people. Okay, this is the vibe I am getting, and as I'm seeing, some of you might be healers or doctors. I don't know. I got this vibe. Take what resonates, and I'm seeing the chariot. I feel like in your life there will always be movement, and seeing this black and white, this yin and yang is just getting in my eyes, it's getting highlighted, and I feel like you'll always have a person in your life that is gonna complement you and make you complete. You both won't be compatible that much, you both won't have same what do you say, a same personality, same likes and same dislikes. No, you both will have different auras, different thought process, different stuff, uh, but you both manage, you both balance, you both will have this side, you'll feel complete. So this is what I am getting, and I feel like love mostly. Okay, good love, a new love, might be a soulmate or anyone in your life, blessing, and I also feel like you'll always have emotional support of that individual who is gonna protect you like a fucking ass. Okay, so yeah, this is a blessing of yours, karmic blessing. Okay, so next I pulled out card from the Osho Zen deck, and no, just before Osho Zen, we'll just go with the Egyptian deck. I'm sorry. Egyptian deck, you have pulled out the lovers. So this is really beautiful. I feel like karmic blessing of yours in this life is, maybe in your past life, you were the one who used to give a lot to other people, sensitive and manipulated easily. Maybe you might reflect that in this life as well at times. But looking at this lovers card, somewhere in your past life, you did not get the love you did not receive the love gave to other people, and somewhere in this life your blessing is that you're gonna get a person in your life that is gonna give you unconditional love, nurturing and emotional support. So this is the blessing I feel, and this is amazing because from the Osho Zen deck you again got the lovers card. Wow, amazing, guys. This deck is so beautiful. I mean, this pile, you might be soulmates and people who are already in a TF journey, in soul awakening, and aligning with their 5Ds. I feel like you people might be in a TF journey, might be, and people who haven't awakened yet, and who are not in a spiritual journey or a TF journey, then obviously him or her will be soulmate. Or if you don't have anyone right now in the current moment, there is the one person who is gonna come in your life, which is gonna give you a lot of emotional support and stuff. And look at this card, no? Look at their faces. So the thing is, somewhere when this love comes to you, you might feel like you don't deserve him. I feel that you won't be able to accept that, do I even deserve this man or woman? Because this comes, you are gonna give 100% of efforts in this relationship, and you have always given 100% of efforts in your past relationships. But this man or this woman is gonna give you 1000% of efforts that you're gonna fucking think, do I even deserve this much love? Because, oh baby, yes, you do, because in your past life, you really gave a lot of love, to other individuals, So, this is what I'm getting, and this is so beautiful, guys. This is so beautiful. So, yes, a karmic blessing is love. That's beautiful. Let's keep this here and this here. And the next is we have God is guidance. Wow, 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 wow. So as I'm seeing guidance, I feel like you are really guided, protected, and protected and guided by your angels, your ancestors, your spirit team in general. I also feel the universe. Okay, so you're gonna meet this man or woman through your spirit team's guidance. Okay, they're gonna. I also feel like a lot of uh, mm, cupids. I can vision them in, yeah. So lot of love, guys. A lot of love. Oh my god. If I also feel like saying this, if you guys are watching this video and you are single right now, so I want to give you an assurance that the person you're gonna meet the person who is gonna enter in your life the next moment is gonna be your soulmate. Okay, the next card that you were drawn to from the gods and goddesses deck was Shri Krishna, and it mentions Lord of Love. Fuck, I'm sorry, but a lot of love, guys. It just relates, okay? So, as I'm seeing the blessings over here, sense of humor, universal love and charity, obviously, success in loving relationship. That is great. A carefree attitude towards life. I feel like after getting this man or woman in your life, you will feel so. Right now, you might feel that life is hard, but after meeting this man or woman, you'll feel like everything is so easy and everything is going so beautiful. Life is amazing. Okay, so the next card that you were drawn to from the gods and goddesses deck was Bhadrakali, goddess of darkness. So, goddess of darkness is not only the god who like goddess of darkness is the one who enlightens the darkness. I feel like you have helped people or gave advices to people who were really in a bad depression or darkness, and that quality of yours right now is a blessing from your past life. It's a blessing, it's your karmic blessing that you give rebirth to other people who are in darkness. This is what I'm getting. However, let's check the blessings. So worldly power, earthly enjoyment, fearlessness in battle, access to feminine powers and virtues. So this is beautiful and this is great. So these are your blessings as well, and that's great. And I feel some of you guys might, need to stand in your power, make your own boundaries so that you don't let anyone just rush into your personal space and hit you off. Okay, so take care of that, because Goddess Bhadrakali reminds me of that I should say this to you guys. So now let's check your blessings. I'll pull three chits from this box and see what are the blessings. So I pulled out two here. Three, 4, and 5. Six, 7, and 8, 9. Another one. What should I choose? Budget. Huh. 10. This called out to me twice, so I just chose this. Let's close this box and check your. So we have stability. Yes, I also feel not only financial stability, I feel like emotional stability is gonna be a blessing in your life really soon. Wow. And this is third eye, intuition. Okay, you guys are really vigilant and you have intuitive powers. If you haven't tapped on your third eye chakra, do that, because I feel as we have got the guidance card here, like your angels are always by your side, and please receive those messages. Okay, and then we have got sensitive, as I said before. As I said before, that you guys are really emotional and sensitive. That is a blessing in your life. You should embrace that quality of yours. So next is we have got the fame here. Wow. So this is fame and this is amazing. Okay, so you're gonna get famous in this lifetime. It's a karmic blessing for you. Um, the next is we have family. Okay, your family is a blessing to you. Okay, your family in this lifetime is a karmic blessing. You should be grateful for them. Okay, so the next is we have father. Okay, you. Oh wow, you might love your father so much, and I also feel like some of you guys who might have father issues should heal it or take what resonates, guys. But father is an important blessing in your life. Okay, so this is what I'm getting. Windfall of money. Okay, windfall of money. Money is gonna come in your life like wind, and it's gonna be amazing. So the next one we have got is good food. So this is great. Yeah, you might love eating a lot, or you might love good food and stuff like that. So this is what I'm getting, and this is nice. You'll always have good, amazing meal in your life. So the next one is soul family. This is beautiful because you already got a family card, and soul family mean and in your past life you had someone who was really close to you, and they that soul exists in your this family, and you have father highlighted in this pile as well. So your father might be a blessing to you in this life, because in your past life you were when he or she died in your past life, or when you died in your past life, your father's soul or your soul was mourning and were not really great, and was hard for you guys. So maybe this was a blessing to you. So this is what I'm seeing. And the next we have is power. This is beautiful. This is beautiful because we have a Bhadrakali here. Bhadrakali, right? Yeah. So you have this power inside. Let that power come out. I don't know. I feel like taking two more. I feel like taking two chits more, and let's just take it. So I just felt like taking it, so let's just take it. So we have child. Wow. So guys who are not able to get pregnant might get pregnant soon, or people who are really young. Obviously this is not the age to have a child, but however in the future you might really have a great child. That would be a blessing. Sorry. And the next shade was, I don't know, I was just so attracted, okay, to choose two, and We have soulmate. Wow. So this is beautiful, guys. This is amazing because huh, we did not get soulmate first, right? But I was guided by my spirit team to choose two more, and this is beautiful. Amazing. Wow. So yeah, pile 2. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe. Do let me know in the comment section below if you liked the video or not, whether it resonated or not. And do let me know if you have any creative ideas that I could do, because I love doing all this stuff. And if you have any ideas regarding what reading should I do more, do let me know in the comment section below, because I'm always open to ideas and exploring. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Bye. Hey pile 3, you chose this beautiful hematite. Come on, let's see what are your karmic blessings in this life. Okay, so let's see. So you were drawn to three cards actually. Three cards from the Universal Rider-Waite Tarot, and you have got King of Swords. Okay, as I'm seeing King of Swords, I feel like you always need clarity. Before making any decision, you want everything in order. You are not hasty while making any kind of decision. Because I feel like in your past life, somewhere, no, you were really, you made some decision which ruined your life. Okay, maybe financial decisions and family decisions, I feel. So, which ruined your life. So, as I'm seeing King of Swords, I feel like you always want clarity before making any type of decisions, and you are really patient to make those decisions. Okay, so this is a blessing. And the next card that you were drawn to was Three of Pentacles. Three of Pentacles. I feel like you guys have this social skill, some skill or talent or abilities that you have inside you. Maybe a creator, anything. Okay, guys, you have this ability which is gonna bring a lot of money in your life. And I also sense you guys have a really great communication skills. Okay, so you can make a lot of money through your talent and your skills, and you know it what it is, but you aren't taking that as a thing. And if you have already took it, then you're gonna earn a lot of money, guys. So the next one is also looking at this Three of Pentacles. You might, there are some people who are watching this video might really like writing or painting, creative stuff. So yeah, do that because you're gonna earn a lot of money, as I'm seeing Ace of Pentacles here. So I feel like in your life, in this current life, your karmic blessing, I feel like you'll always be living a luxurious life. If you aren't living the luxurious life right now in the present moment, just have patience, because I feel like this is your karmic blessing. You'll always have a lot of money in your life, and I could sense the vision, a lot of money coming in your life. Okay, somewhere I feel like you had past lives where you only did charity work and gave money to other people, which is gonna come back to you as a karmic reward. Okay, so this is what I'm getting. So the next card was from the Egyptian deck, and you were again drawn to the same card, Ace of Pentacles. Now, this pile mostly speaks about financial karmic blessings. Financial blessings. Okay, so it's like in your past lives, you have done a lot of good deeds, maybe shared your money, or maybe you still have this habit of taking all the responsibilities and duties and take care of the family and help everyone financially. You still might have that qualities, but you really had that in your past lives, and I feel like this is a big reward that you're gonna get in this life. Okay, so let's just keep this here. And so the next card was from the Osho Zen deck, and you were drawn to past lives. As I'm seeing this deck, I feel like this karmic blessing that you're gonna get is gonna be a mixture. Like in every past life of yours, I mean, look, I'll explain you. Past life number one, charity work. Past life number two, charity work. Past life number three, charity work. Past life number four, charity work. Past life number five, charity work yet again and again and again, repeatedly. So, all together coming in as a karmic reward in this life. I feel like this is going to be your last life. Maybe take what resonates, and if it's not, I still feel you guys are an old soul, and you'll have a lot of because uh, uh, you somehow attracted the maturity card as well. I feel, as I said, old soul, this card popped, just it was just in the side. I wouldn't take it now, but somewhere this was resonating with what I was saying, so this is relating. Okay, so past lives and maturity is going hand in hand. So it's like you are kind of old soul and really grounded to nature, connected to nature, but as I'm seeing maturity, your soul is really old and mature, and you already had a lot of past life, and all together that karmic reward you're gonna get in this present life. Okay, some of you guys watching this video, this life might be your last life. This for some of you guys, okay, not everyone, because it's a general reading, collective reading. Okay, and the next card that you were drawn to, was Jagannath from the Gods and Goddesses deck. This is beautiful, guys. And then the blessings is worldly power, devotion to Krishna, freedom from the cycle of birth and death. Surprisingly, this is what I was saying, right? So, freedom from the cycle of birth and death, perfection of the arts in the service of God. So this is beautiful. I feel like, in the future there are chances after getting a lot of money, still you'll do some kind of charity work, or maybe, service to God, something that you're gonna do which is still gonna be fruitful for you. And if you're not doing it, just do it. Okay, because again it's gonna bring a lot of blessings. So let's just keep this here. And the next card that you were drawn to was, Lakshmi. This is great because she's the goddess of fortune. Okay. So this is amazing, guys, because this you are gonna get a lot of money. This karmic reward is gonna enhance your financial stability. So improved social status, increased wealth and luxuries. I said right. Maybe now. Wait. Just now I said, right, you'll be having a luxurious life and career promotion or acknowledgement. Is it visible? I hope it is. Yeah. Good and faithful marriage partner, especially a wife. This is so beautiful. So I feel like you both, after getting married, you and your partner are gonna be power couple, prosperity couple, or power and financial couple who is gonna live an amazing, luxurious life. So this is great. A lot of money coming in for as per your karmic blessings. Money, 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 money. So now we'll check. I'm gonna pull out 10 chits. These have the blessings. What are the karmic blessings that you hold? And I'm gonna check that. I'm gonna pull 10 cards. So let's see. The first one, two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so the sigil came out. This sigil I have kept it in this box for myself, and it shows I am being gifted money. Wow. So I guess pile 3, a lot of money is gonna come. Actually, this is I actually keep sigils in each and every box of mine, to attract abundance. If you want a sigil for yourself, please do let me know. I have given my social handles in the description column below. I could, yeah, help you with the sigils. However, I am being gifted money. So this is like, no, it's resonating. This was not for the chits, guys. This was just for keeping sake. And I don't know why did I pull this, but yeah, come on, let's just keep this, okay? This is beautiful. The other two pile did not get it. So the family card I'm getting, this your family is a karmic blessing for you, karmic reward. Good health. This is beautiful. Long life, maybe, yes. Next is support. This is amazing. Support. And I feel like support from Lakshmi mostly. Next is child. So you've got the family also and the child also. You're really gonna be so much blessed with an amazing surrounding, amazing environment, amazing people. And you have got windfall of money. It was definitely a windfall of decision. Uh windfall of this prosperity sigil, and then you are getting windfall of money, and this is amazing, guys. So the next one is grace. This is beautiful. The grace that you carry, the way you carry yourself. I feel like mostly the way you talk, because I highlighted your communication skills, right. So your communication skills have that grace. So this is being highlighted. It's a karmic blessing. Love. So as we read the Lakshmi card, it was given that love, or maybe a marriage partner of yours is gonna, you both are gonna be amazing together. And this is beautiful, guys. And you're getting the support from your family, your child, also a partner. So it's like a full combo or bouquet coming in your life with a lot of money. So the next one is good food and good health, a lot of money, good family, good child, amazing partner. Wow. So this is like all your karmic rewards of last lives are getting all together now. Fame. Wow. Recognition. Okay, I guess this was highlighted, improved social status, and fame and recognition has come over here. So this is like, yeah, the fame thing was only missing. So my spirit guide is like, you haven't opened this yet. Fame, they are gonna be famous as well. Wow, guys. And look at this. You have got the prosperity. Ha! A lot of money, guys. A lot of money. Come on. A lot of money. And we have gifts as well. This is beautiful, guys. A lot of physical gifts. You're gonna get blessings through gifts. And the next we have is villa. Oh my god. This is such a beautiful pile. Yeah, such a luxurious life you're gonna live. So this is your karmic reward and karmic blessings. Please do let me know in the comment section below if you liked it or not, and do like, share, comment and subscribe if you have more ideas with whatever, like creative ideas with whatever I could do here, so that you love doing it. Please do let me know. And if you have any ideas regarding the reading, for what should I check more in my readings, let me know in the comment section below. And yes, thank you so much. I love you guys. Bye.